What's up guys, it's Darren from BD Performance. Here we are again, another series to add to the ever-growing list. Hope you enjoy. So we thought it was time for a new series, and underbody restoration is something that everyone always asks about. So, here we're going to go from the start right through to the finish. This one's a short one, 10 minutes of stripping the rear. We start by removing the rear calipers. In this instance, Connor, the owner of the car, is probably going to be replacing at least the lines or redoing the calipers. We're not quite sure yet. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell button. If you like the videos, there's no point missing out, guys. Here Al's just cleaning up the bolts to the rear of the heat shield or dust shield. These will be replaced, but we just need to get them off. I'll pretty much leave you to it for the rest of the video. I'll dip in and out, but as with here, it's pretty obvious Al's just removing the rear drop link. If there's something we haven't already done, or we haven't already planned or said we planned, let us know in the comments, guys, and we'll try and please you, as they say, and try and do a little video if we can. We've got lots and lots planned for this year, lots of expansion in terms of the channel and everything. So hopefully at some point we'll get round to doing what lots of you want to see. Again, let us know if you like this style of video. All feedback's good feedback, whether you like it or whether you don't. Hit us up in the comments below and let us know. Maintenance spray is always handy for these sort of jobs, guys. Ideally let it soak in. Next up are the bolts that cause most of the issues for SD and RS owners. These are the bolts that need to be adjusted when you're having four-wheel alignment. Most of the time the bushes are either seized or the bolts themselves, and this is no exception. This car here, we tried to get the bolts out but they weren't for coming out. we're doing a full underbody restoration, so we're going to replace these bolts. So at some point later on in the video, I'll probably end up cutting them. Don't worry, we haven't forgotten about the Ford series. It is coming. I know you keep all asking about it, but we just got other things planned at the minute, and we've got to do the work as it comes in. So this was something that we'd planned, and something that was in, and something that we wanted to record, so we took the opportunity. Just a bit of proof in the background there that Ben does multitask. Men can multitask, and here's Ben multitasking, sorting out an order in the background. Al's never one for giving up. Having go on the other side of those camber bolts, then they're just not for having it. They're not going to shift, Al. Give up, mate. Give up. You're going to be cutting them. Springs on this one look a bit worse for wear, so we'll probably get them powder coated at the same time so that it looks real smart. Underbody restoration is a really intensive, labour-intensive job. It's not just about removing some bits, getting them blasted and powder coating. There's a lot of cleaning and a lot of replacement parts that are involved. That's why it costs so much. And we hope that this kind of settles people's minds as to what's involved and what they're getting and the value for money more than anything. Here's a little trick for you guys. Al is lowering the rear axle or rear subframe down onto a little work trolley that we've got. Just makes things a whole load simpler and means that one person can do this job. As you can see here, just make sure that you don't get any wires caught up or trapped. So now it's just a case of stripping down the rears, stripping everything off, ready for blasting and powder coating. That'll be in the next video, along with the front end. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and once again, if you enjoyed the video, then please consider subscribing, hitting the like button, hit the bell icon to keep notified and keep updated with new videos and content. And then, if you've got a question or a comment, please feel free to share below. We try to get through the comments, respond and kind of like every comment that we get. We really do appreciate it. It makes it all worthwhile for us. Thanks guys, and see you next time.